Hey, good morning. Hey, turn it down. You ain't trying to get paid, bro.
Oh,
you ain't trying to get paid,
Dog
bro.
got no money, bro.
You ain't true.
Dog got no money, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Dog got no money.
Bit man, you feel me? Welcome to a new video, man. So today we definitely pulling out to Caffeine Octane, man. My dog got me out here at this car show. That's the only thing I like going to. Y'all know in the beginning of my videos, when I first started doing YouTube.
Slide takeovers.
Slide takeovers, there we go. I used to go to a lot of them when I first started. That shit was ass. Come on, bro. This shit looking cool, man.
Whoa, we ain't in it
yet. Where we at yet? Where we at? I'm seeing regular shit like Nissans and shit. I'm trying to see some Lambos. Make sure you go subscribe to my boy, man, G1GB Nigel, man. Everything will be linked down below. Y'all know go follow me on all social medias, man. And also go tap in on my website at dtfan.com. Shop and get you a ski mask. Everything is 10 or 20% off now. All red ski masks are sold out, so now I got purple, blue, and green left, man. Hit that like button. We out of here. Anytime I see a Hellcat, that's my favorite car. I can't help it, but that's my baby. All right, come on, bro. What? Waiting on me? You was waiting on me this whole time? No. Don't need trip. We got messages. Don't need trip. I said, bro, what time you gonna be here, gang? 8:30. No. That boy said 8:30 right there. Y'all see that? Let it focus. I said, I bet.
8 hours.
He said, let's go, Shmeek, at 9:30.
Bro, it took you 8
No, bro.
hours.
I ain't trying to hear that shit, bro. Oh my God. Woo. And my tight speed right here, I like all muscle, y'all. I like all muscle, man. This whole little lineup right here, boom, 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 boom. Gotta go here though, you feel me? Second, I'm gonna take this though. I like that, man. I like that right there. That's my, ooh. This is my dream car, bro. I swear to God, bro. Hellcat Wide Body Challenger, bro. I don't care how many people say they got it, they got this, they got that. I ain't got that motherfucker, you feel me? I need that. The bronze wheels. Hey, chat, we gonna take the black one or that Yerple. That Yerple is hard. As Nigel was just saying.
Bronze wheels is in the game.
She the one.
She added me to a CF, I know she DT. I'm flying a nigga like Pia.
Okay, granddad. Stupid fishbowl. Can't do that one. Can't do that one. This right here ain't my tight speed. You know, we going to Darrentown or something like that. All rolling. We got that wide body, got the suspension. Right there.
Got that wide body.
Yeah. Been taking up both parking spots, boy. Jeez. I'd be lying, bro.
What I lie about?
We gonna see some Lambos. We gonna see some Ferraris.
We haven't got there yet. The Lambos and shit out here, fam.
I'm just making sure you ain't capping me down.
That boy impatient.
Ooh, that my speed. But them two wheels, them dirt bikes, them four wheelers, man.
Huh?
Excuse me, Beckham's. What that mean? What? I said they taking up both lanes though.
Car show, gang. Car show.
Come on, bro. Let's get back to the car. All right,
Hold up,
okay, bro. 10 seconds later, I'm here.
10 seconds later, literally.
Okay.
This is stick up, little bitch, get down. Drop and roller, you ain't lit now. Hold me mad, I know they sit now. Add too fat, that bitch can't sit down. Shit on rich now.
Shmeek keep walking in front of my camera, bro. Like,
It was me. Ain't no Acura doing it like this. What the hell? I know a little something about these. I built these on Forza, you feel me? I know back in the day, boy, used to get all the hoes in this bed, boy. Look at them. Look at granddad. They were me back in the day, man. Gucci killer right here, man. Y'all ain't building trucks for real, man. That's how you build that bitch, you feel me? It's hard. It's hard. You don't like this?
This bitch smooth. I ain't saying I ain't like it. This bitch smooth.
Let me show y'all that joint, man. He tripping. Nigel G1GB tripping.
I'm not saying I don't like it, bro. Like,
nah,
that bit hard.
You just said it's alright,
That
bro.
bit hard, gang.
Get that out, bush. You get all the booty back in the day with this thing, man. Ooh, you come through slime like that with a milkshake with a cherry on top. Boy, you gonna get the ball. Get the ball straight.
You get the balls straight.
You come through with the white wall on them guys. You gonna be, ooh. Look. Remember back in the day, baby, we used to get right at the movie theater. And I said, bro, that. Yeah, that's the carburetor.
It's just silly, isn't it?
Okay. The carburetor, my guy.
It's not an issue if you're driving.
Yeah.
It's an issue when it sits and it rains heavy.
Yeah.
Because water gets in the plug wells and causes it to misfire.
So you say you put the umbrella in the booty hole.
Stick an umbrella.
Fuck yeah, just right down in there.
In the booty hole.
In the booty hole.
Okay. I don't know. That's freaky timing, but alright.
Observe.
Exhibit A.
Exhibit A. The big, thick meat Larry Hoovers right here on the side.
Hey, nah, the big what? Big thick meat.
Big, thick meat.
Nah, bro. You tripping, gang. Is you right here? It's a bad joint right there, man. It's a bad one. And the Cleasy. Shout out to Tall Guy, man. I miss watching that guy, bro.
It's the voice of the South. Mike Jackson, just like Dayshawn. I just bought it.
Hey, I know at least you rocking with these.
What happened?
I know you rocking with these, bro.
Yeah, ain't lit hell, gang.
You dead ass?
Nah, bullshit.
Nah, you dead ass, bro. That's a horse? Shit. What about that Chick-fil-A motherfucker out here? Eat more chicken. Eat more chicken.
Y'all warm it up, bro.
All right, bro. Horny ass, paint job crazy.
Yeah, it's not even a wrap either. That's
Oh, it's a paint job?
Yeah, it's an actual paint job. That's what I was looking for, the lines and stuff. I don't see none. Yeah, that's beautiful. Whoever did that, god damn.
Them boys got real
I heard
talent.
what y'all said. I want to hear bounce too now.
Hey, yo, what?
Hey, yo. This bounce. No, I'm talking about this.
Nah, bro.
Nah,
I'm
chill,
joking.
no, I'm talking about the car sound, bro.
Yo.
I ain't gonna say like
Hey, that's funny right there, boy. I got one to pick, old school or new school. What y'all picking, man? Me? Personally, I'm going new school, man. Hellcat me every time, challenging. On God. But I do know a lot of people that will go old school. And this right here, it's tough. That's tough. That bitch came right out my ass.
You tripping.
I'm saying like the color, bro.
Bro, that's like your second strike, bro. You got one more and you're out of here, bro.
I know you're not talking, bro. We're talking about big, thick meat.
Bro,
on
I'm
the
talking
tires,
about the
bro.
tire.
All right, bro.
The tire?
All right,
Thick meat
no,
on the tire,
No,
bro?
you talking about thick meat, though, bro.
Thick meat on the tire.
Nah, bro. It's damn. They get clean, too, gang. And you come over here to the Lambo part next to them, like, please. It's a little older style, but it'll do. All right, nah, you ain't let me down too bad, bro. Okay, got all the Lambos, another Lambo. Sheesh. Another Lambo. Oh, we gotta get the B-roll.
Finna fuck Atlanta up, might get evicted by Brian Kim. Them boys sweet, I see food, so tonight we trying shrimp. Told that hoe she could try anything, but just don't try my pimp.
I don't know what I'll take. I ain't gonna lie. Been the Lambos in this Ferrari. Definitely gotta be the Ferrari, man. Talk to, I don't know what the hell it is, but McLaren. Sheesh. Another McLaren.
Y'all don't have to worry about that. Y'all look like, okay, all right.
Tough, man. Tough. The BMW wrap is crazy. On this side right here. Shit clean, boy. We ain't forget about you, my boy. We're gonna let you get in there too, man. The Ferrari, the one, and that green SVJ. Sheesh. Hey, big dog. You did your thing with this one.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
You did your thing with this one, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Shit, I love blue, man. It's my favorite color.
Joint clean,
I had to
bro.
wrap it in the chrome.
Yeah. All that right there really just motivated me, bro. I gotta get on that tight timing. But y'all be bullshitting with the like button, man. Y'all don't want y'all boy to see it have an SVJ. Y'all don't want to see me in no Lambo. Run this ass over, huh? Run him over. Run him over. He's so ready his ass over. My head. How I feel?
Good.
Oh, you probably done got used to it, huh?
Yeah, it's my husband's. I don't drive it very
Oh,
often.
it's you. Oh, damn.
What's up?
Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Okay, my boy. Yeah. You good? Yes, sir. All right, so they saying right here, buddy, with the Hellcat right here for almost 2,000 horses, bro? That's OD crazy. Nah, look at the slicks on the back of that bitch. Ooh, damn. Ooh. Oh my God. Shit, boy. Look at it. Look how he's shaking in that bitch. That bitch, no, it's all good, bro. Boy. Hey, that motherfucker get wicked, boy. How much your shit got?
Huh?
How much yours got?
200 horsepower.
Oh, that's nothing. That's fine. That boy go crazy. Grand finale. What? Damn. WW vlog today, man. I ain't gonna lie, all these cars out here, down to the Hellcats, the Lambos, the Ferraris, the McLarens, man, that shit just make you want to go harder, bro. Motivational tip, man. Keep going, keep pushing, man.
Hey man, I'm finna go hard, bro.
Go crazy.
I'm finna go hard, I'm finna go crazy.
Gotta go
No
crazy.
sleep.
But I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, man. Make sure y'all follow me on the ground. All social media will be linked down below. Make sure y'all please go subscribe to my boy channel. G1GB Nigel. Shout out to my boy for bringing me out here today. Who was late, but it was definitely worth it. Finna head to the lot, hop on these bikes. I love y'all.